thank you for clicking on this video. If you frequent YouTube, then you've probably heard about this luxury perfume brand, Maison Kurkdijan. So I wanted to share a pocket-friendly way to try this brand. I originally ordered 4 samples from the brand's website, Maison Kurkdijan. The 4 that I chose were Baccarat Rouge 540, Gentle Fluidity Gold, which is this one that I'm unboxing today, Oud and Oud Silk Mood. I wasn't a fan of the Baccarat like everybody else who have been raving about it. Out of the 4, I thought this one smelled the best, so I got in the 1.2 ounce. The Oud fragrances, I couldn't even finish the samples because they smelled like an old lady perfume, if you know what I mean. Gentle Fluidity is close, it's almost masculine. And this Amorous Femme is the one that I wish I had purchased. It has a soft scent to it, and it almost, to me, it reminds me of a baby lotion. So I wish I had bought that one because it's like a milder scent compared to the other ones. But now that I have this Gentle Fluidity Gold, I'm not too big of a fan of it, but I'm going to wear it. So most department stores only sell the bigger bottles, but if you want to just try it, you can start with the samples. Some department stores like Nordstrom and Dillard's provide free samples if you're interested in purchasing, but I ordered 4 samples from Maison's website for less than $20. Each sample is enough for me to get about 5 to 6 uses out of it. And the last option is to purchase from Maison's site, which offers the smaller 1.2 ounce bottle that US department stores don't usually have. It's not the cheapest per ounce. You know, the bigger the bottle, the less it is per ounce. But if you just want to get your hands on it to see if it's worth purchasing, the bigger bottle, then one of these ways is the way to go. And I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If so, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.